In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jira locally in Windows, macOS, and Linux. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to download Jira, how to choose the right version for your operating system, and what to expect from the installer so you can get up and running smoothly. We'll start by grabbing the Jira installer from the official Atlassian website. Open your preferred web browser and search for Jira download. In the search results, look for the official Atlassian link for Jira software downloads. It should clearly mention Atlassian in the address. Click that result to go straight to the download page. On the Jira download page, you will typically see options for different Atlassian products. Make sure you're on the section for Jira software, which is the standard product used for issue tracking and project management. This is the one you'll want if you're setting up a typical Jira instance for development or team workflows. Next, you'll choose the installer for your operating system. On the page, you'll see a drop-down or a small arrow next to a default operating system label, often showing something like Windows, OS X, or Linux, depending on what the site detects. Click on the arrow beside the currently selected system, and a list of supported operating systems will appear. Select the one that matches your machine: Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once you've picked the correct platform, the download button will update for that operating system. Go ahead and click on download. Your browser will start downloading the installer file. This may take a few minutes depending on your connection, since Jira is a fairly large application. When the download is complete, open the installer file from your downloads folder. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. The installer will guide you through choosing an installation directory, setting up basic configuration, and starting the Jira service. In most cases, you can safely accept the default options unless you have specific requirements, such as a custom install path or a particular port. Give the setup a bit of time to complete. When it finishes, your browser may open automatically to the Jira setup page, or you may see instructions on how to access it locally using a web address. At this point, Jira is installed locally on your Windows, macOS, or Linux machine.